The year is 2026, and something extraordinary is happening on the streets of Britain and America. For decades, self-driving cars were science fiction. Now they're a reality. Driverless cars are leaving test tracks and navigating real, unpredictable public roads. And this is a fundamental shift, perhaps the biggest since Ford's assembly line. Billions have been invested, and the world's best engineers have worked for years to make this happen. In cities from San Francisco to London, autonomous vehicles are appearing, sometimes with a human supervisor, but increasingly with no one behind the wheel. The quiet whir of electric vehicles with minds of their own is joining the familiar hum of traffic. These cars are packed with sensors, cameras, lasers, radars, giving them a 360-degree view, and AI that makes split-second decisions. We're witnessing the first steps of a revolution that will change how we live, work, and move. The rollout of self-driving cars is a grand experiment, and we're all participants, whether we hail a robotaxi or just watch one glide by. So let's pop the bonnet and see what's really going on under the hood of this motoring revolution. In the US, the race for driverless cars is led by Waymo, born from Google's self-driving project. By 2026, Waymo's robotaxis are a common sight in cities like Phoenix and San Francisco, delivering millions of rides with no human driver. Zoox, backed by Amazon, has built a unique bi-directional robotaxi from scratch. No steering wheel, no pedals, already shuttling passengers in Las Vegas and San Francisco. With Amazon's support, Zoox is scaling up, aiming for thousands of these pods. Tesla, led by Elon Musk, is taking a different route, using cameras and its full self-driving software, launching unsupervised robo-taxi services in Texas and California. Tesla's approach is bold and controversial, but it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These companies aren't just building cars, they're creating entire ecosystems, apps, maintenance depots, and charging networks. Each has a different strategy, from Waymo's cautious expansion to Tesla's software-first push. This competition is accelerating progress, but also creating a patchwork of services and regulations. As robotaxis move into city centers, the American dream of autonomous mobility is finally becoming real. Britain is catching up fast, determined to be a leader in autonomous vehicles. The Automated Vehicles Act of 2024 set the legal groundwork for self-driving cars on UK roads. In 2026, pilot programs will launch in major cities, starting with London, with automated taxis and shuttles operating without human safety drivers. Data from these trials will help refine the technology for Britain's unique roads and weather. Waymo is preparing for its first major expansion outside the US, aiming to launch in London. Uber is partnering with British AI company Wave for self-driving taxi trials, using AI that learns to drive like a human. The UK's laws require strict cybersecurity, over-the-air updates, and make companies, not drivers, liable for mistakes. The government hopes this will create thousands of jobs and put Britain at the forefront of the transport revolution. At the core of every self-driving car is powerful AI, the brain that turns sensors and code into a vehicle that can see, think, and act. The car's cameras, radar, and LiDAR feed data to the AI, which fuses it into a rich, real-time map of the world. The AI identifies objects, cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and predicts what might happen next. Using advanced models, it plans the safest, most efficient path, considering everything from traffic lights to unpredictable pedestrians. It then sends precise commands to the steering, brakes, and accelerator, repeating this cycle dozens of times per second. This see-think-act loop allows the car to respond instantly to changing conditions. To get smarter, these systems are trained in vast digital simulations, facing millions of scenarios, from sudden storms to a child chasing a ball. The result: a car that can handle complexity and uncertainty far beyond what any human driver could manage. The technology is still learning, but it's already transforming how cars move through our cities. the AI's evolution is the key to unlocking the full promise of autonomous driving. Technology alone isn't enough. Clear laws are essential for self-driving cars to become reality. In the UK, the Automated Vehicles Act of 2024 draws a line between driver assistance and true self-driving, making companies responsible when the car is in autonomous mode. This legal clarity gives both companies and consumers confidence to embrace the technology. In the US, there's no single federal law, just a patchwork of state rules and federal guidelines. States like Arizona and California are welcoming, while others remain cautious, creating a complex regulatory landscape. The federal government is pushing for unified safety standards to help companies expand nationwide. Harmonizing these rules is crucial for growth, but it's a slow process. Still, the overall trend is toward greater acceptance and a clear path for autonomous vehicles to join everyday traffic. The promise of self-driving cars goes far beyond novelty. It's about real benefits for society. Safety is the biggest. 94% of crashes are caused by human error. Autonomous cars don't get tired, drunk, or distracted. Their sensors eliminate blind spots, and their AI reacts faster than any human, potentially saving thousands of lives. Self-driving fleets can reduce traffic congestion by traveling closer together and rerouting automatically, making cities more efficient. Most robotaxis are electric, cutting emissions and noise, leading to cleaner, quieter streets. For millions who can't drive, the elderly, disabled, or those without cars, autonomous vehicles offer newfound independence and mobility. Shared fleets could change car ownership itself. Instead of owning a car that sits idle, people could simply summon a ride when needed. This could free up parking spaces for parks, housing, or pedestrian zones. The shift to shared, electric autonomous transport could transform urban life for the better. That's the real promise of this technology. The road to a driverless future is full of challenges. Safety remains under the microscope. Every incident is scrutinized and can erode public trust. Weather is a major hurdle. Rain, fog, and snow can confuse sensors and limit where self-driving cars can operate. Regulations are a maze, with different rules in every city and state, making it hard for companies to scale up. Harmonizing laws is essential, but progress is slow and politically tricky. There are also social concerns. Millions of professional drivers could lose their jobs, and there are questions about who will benefit from these services. Will robotaxis serve everyone, or just wealthy urban areas? Addressing these issues, jobs, access, and fairness, is as important as perfecting the technology. The revolution's success depends on solving these human challenges. The next 5 years will see rapid growth in autonomous vehicles. Robotaxi services will expand from a handful of cities to dozens in the US and UK. Level 4 autonomy, fully self-driving within mapped zones, will become common in urban areas. Privately owned self-driving cars will appear, but only in select cities and on major roads. By 2030, robotaxi fleets will number in the thousands, making autonomous rides a daily reality for millions. Autonomous trucking will also grow, transforming logistics and supply chains. The technology will mature, handling tougher weather and more complex environments. Costs will fall, making services more affordable and business models more sustainable. By 2030, autonomous vehicles will be a visible, integrated part of city life, setting the stage for even wider adoption. In 2026, as self-driving cars become part of daily life, we're at a crossroads. The potential is huge: safer streets, cleaner air, and cities designed for people, not parking. Shared robotaxis could reclaim space for parks and wider pavements, transforming commutes into productive or relaxing time. But there are risks. Cheap, convenient rides could increase traffic, and privacy concerns loom as vehicles collect data on our movements. Job losses in driving professions are a real worry. The impact of self-driving cars depends on the choices we make now: regulations, priorities, and public debate. Will we ensure these services are accessible to all, not just the wealthy? Will we plan for a fair transition for displaced workers? The technology is neutral. How we use it will define our future. The robot cars are here. The question is, what kind of future will we build with them?